Hello everyone! Welcome to our another vlog. Today's video, as you can see, is all about Globe. Globe Prepaid Wi-Fi. Since this is a unboxing video, we'll show you what's inside the box. Para din po, alam natin kung anong laman ng product na ito. And we can be sure na complete yung package at complete yung laman. Makikita natin sa box na meron siyang free 10 gig of data. And this is 2 times faster, stronger, and wider signal versus sa pocket Wi-Fi. Sulit siya dahil may mga promo intended for this, less lang ang mababayaran natin. After this one, we'll have another video intended for how to install the product and how to activate or set up the product. Okay. So as you can see, this is still sealed. So hindi pa talaga to na buksan. Let's open it. Ang model po ng item nito is ZLT S10g. First, we have the unit itself, the modem. May nakalagay Globe at Home Prepaid Wi-Fi. We have the warranty certificate, the SIM. As you can see, wala nang SIM dito. Nakalagay na siya dito. Sealed kasi yan. Dapat hindi siya nabubuksan para hindi mawawala yung warranty. Quick user guide and the sticker. Charger or adapter. Two antenna. Dalawang antenna. LAN cable. Yun lang. That's it. The item itself, the modem itself, at dalawang antenna, the LAN cable, the charger or adapter, warranty certificate, and user guide. So since alam niyo na yung laman ng item, mache-check niyo na kung kumpleto ba yung item. That's all. Thank you. By the way, stay tuned for another video on how to install and activate this product.